I bet you didn't know GPT-5 just leveled up in the craziest ways. Stick around. Number 6. If it's reading your mind. Next, accuracy is off the charts. It's like the AI trained for Jeopardy and aced every round. Third, context memory. GPT-5 remembers details from way back, so you don't have to repeat yourself every 2 seconds. Fourth, this AI speaks like a pro. No more weird robot talk. Fifth, multimodal magic. It understands both text and images. Send it a meme, and it gets the joke. Sixth, better problem solving. GPT-5 tackles tough questions like a mathlete with a caffeine boost. And lucky number 7, custom personalities. You can finally have an AI that matches your vibe, whether you want a study buddy or a stand-up comedian. Which feature are you most hyped about? Drop it in the comments.